here's what's going on. We're on the train, the sleeper train from Ninh Binh to Da Nang. Right? I'll just flip the camera around. Check it out. Right, there's Keza. There's the window. And there's old mate eating his rice. We're getting stuck into that. It's good stuff. Oh, hang on, I'll show you upstairs as well. There's 6 carriages. Oh, sorry, 6 sleepers in this one little carriage. Any thoughts, Keza? Good, yeah, she thinks it's good. That's us on the night train. Love that stuff. Alright, check it out.